Guys, so as this bag guys begin to roast, I am going to continue adding some of the marinade. Hey everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make roasted fish with peanut butter sauce. Now this is a very easy recipe and it is so tasty, guys. You want to go ahead and try it. You can eat this with salad, with rice, with some pepper sauce, whatever it is you have on handy. So let's get started. First off, you're going to need your fish, of course, and I have 4 large, I don't know what this is called, but I have 4 large ones here, and we're going to go ahead and make our marinade that we're going to put on the fish. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, guys, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Just want to go ahead, and this is smooth peanut butter, by the way. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Okay, we want to get all of that in there. And here I have 1 chicken bouillon cube in ½ cup of water, which I heated up because I wanted to melt it. And you also want to do this because you want to melt the peanut butter. So just go ahead and put that on there. I have ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and add that. And I have here some seasoned oil, and I'm just going to add that in there as well. And now I have 1 full cup of vegetable oil. Now I am going to mix this up very well until it is completely smooth, and then I'll see you guys when I am done. Guys, so I've mixed this, and as you can see, this is a creamy mixture and I don't have any nuts in there. So right now we're gonna go ahead and work with our fish. And what you want to go ahead and do is just make little slices on the back of your fish on both sides, so that you can get some of that marinade in there. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of the fish, and I'll show you what you need to do next. Okay guys, so once you've completed slicing up your fish, you want to go ahead and just get them onto this roasting wire, and you want to make sure that you get it in the middle until you bring it all the way out in the tail. Okay, just like that. And here it is. As you can see, here's the little tip here at the back. And I'm going to do this for the rest of the fish, and I'll show you what you need to do. Okay guys, so now you want to go ahead and get a soft brush that you can use to start garnishing or putting your marinade onto your fish. You want to do that on both sides. Go ahead and add a generous amount on the insides as well. Just add as much as you can. Okay, just like that. And you also want to make sure to go ahead and add more once you've put it on a separate plate. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the fish, and I'll show you what you need to do when you begin to start roasting it. Okay guys, so once you're done, this is what your fish should look like. And you should also have a good amount of marinade on the side. And now we want to go over to our roaster, and let's begin roasting these bad guys. Guys, so as this bad guys begin to roast, I am going to continue adding some of the marinade. And you got to do your best to be careful when you're turning it over so that you don't remove all of the skin. But even if you do, it doesn't really matter because you're going to be adding marinade on there. So I'll show you what it looks like when I turn it over, guys. Okay guys, so sorry for the noise. We got our, I don't know what you call them, working in our area today. So I just turned these bad guys over. And I'm going to continue marinating it. because you want to get all of that good taste onto your fish. And by the way, you can do this in the oven, guys, if you don't want to mess up your kitchen. But I like the taste when you roast it. So I'm going to continue doing this. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. It's really, really tasty. And you won't regret doing this, guys. It's worth all the trouble. So I'll see you in a bit. Guys, so the fish is done. And I am going to be serving it with some hot pepper sauce and some white rice on the side, guys. You really need to go ahead and check out this recipe because it's awesome. You need to try it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and stay awesome until next time.